are here to perform the limit test for chloride. Our aim is to carry out the limit test for chloride. For that I have to mention some things that are beneficial for you, that we will perform this experiment in Nessler cylinder. These Nessler cylinders are just like test tube. You can see this is just like test tube. One major difference is its breadth. It is broad as compared to test tube and flat from the bottom, so that we can keep it aside. The limit test is basically performed to calculate the impurities in the sample. It is not the calculation, but it is the comparative test. We have to perform the limit test for the specific amount of substance in the sample. In this we will perform the chloride, the limit test for chloride ion. For that we need dilute HNO3, that is nitric acid, AgNO3, that is silver nitrate. This is the solution for chloride, that is standard solution for chloride test. This standard solution is 0.0585% weight by volume of NaCl. We will prepare this solution by dissolving 0.05845 gram of NaCl in 100 ml of water. To perform this test, we will take Nessler cylinder and will add 1 ml of standard solution. We will take this solution in the graduated pipette. You can see the graduation marks on the pipette and the quantity specified by marking. We will take 1 ml. It is of 2 ml the graduated pipette. We are taking 1 ml. We will transfer it into the Nessler cylinder containing standard solution. Now the second step is to add 10 ml of HNO3. We will add dilute nitric acid 10 ml, this is 10 ml dilute HNO3. Now the third step is to dilute this solution up to 50 ml by adding distilled water from impurities. Now this Nessler cylinder has 50 ml mark. We will add distilled water up to 50 ml mark. Check the level of water. Now add 1 ml of AgNO3, that is stored in amber color bottle to prevent it from sunlight. Take 1 ml of quantity and add this solution to the standard solution. You can see some turbidity or opalescence in the solution. That is for standard solution. Just mix it properly. Now we will make the test solution, or we will prepare the test solution. by dissolving the specific amount of substance as per IP monograph. IP is Indian Pharmacopoeia, and when we do something in pharmacy, we will refer Indian Pharmacopoeia for as reference or primary reference. This is the amount of the substance. We will dissolve it in some amount of water or distilled water. You have to take fresh glass rod for this solution so that the impurities from the previous one will not be added in the solution. You can slightly warm the solution to dissolve the substance. Now add 10 ml of dilute nitric acid into this solution. After that, make the volume up to 50 ml, same as that of standard solution. Now add 1 ml of AgNO3 solution. We have kept both the solution for 5 minutes at rest. Now the next step is to compare both the solution or turbidity of both the solution. In between, I am explaining about the basics of chemistry behind this experiment. The chloride ion in the sample will react with AgNO3 to form insoluble AgCl or precipitates of silver chloride. Other substances are soluble in the solution. These AgCl precipitate or opalescence or degree of opalescence describe the amount of fluoride present in the solution. Now we will compare this solution or our test solution with our standard solution. This is our test solution and this is our standard solution. When we compare the turbidity of both the solution, you can see or compare the turbidity of both the solution. This yellow color is due to some other impurities in the sample. You can see or compare the white part of the Nessler cylinder. The turbidity of test solution is less than the standard solution. That means the chloride ion or AgCl precipitated is less in this solution as compared to standard solution. It clearly indicates that the chloride impurity, the prescribed limit that is present in standard solution is more as compared to test solution. We can say that our test solution has passed the limit test for chloride. That means impurities present in this solution is less as prescribed in monograph. So we can consider that sample positive. Thank you.